What's going on, everyone? Chuck here with Deatschwerks, and in this video I'm going to go over the specific parts we offer for the second generation Cadillac CTS-V. Supercharged from the factory, these monsters already have a decent fuel system to start with. Our selection ranges from mild to wild with drop-in replacement pumps or this return-style X2 module that houses two of our DW300s. The X2 module retains factory features like the surge bucket, saddle transfer pickup to help be more effective even when below an eighth of a tank. The upgraded billet top hat includes wiring studs for the factory sender, running stage pumps, as well as a -8 ORB feed port and -6 ORB port for the required return. To make it even better, we offer this with either a CPE or PTFE return plumbing kit that is all plug and play. The X2 module combines the best features of all the OE and aftermarket into a 1,000 horsepower capable solution. The rails we offer for the stock LSA blower are engineered for an optimum fit and maximum flow with 8 AN ORB ports on both ends for fuel in and out. The stock injector fitment is retained as well as functionality with the stock fuel lines. These rails are hard anodized matte black for a sweet looking finish that can handle any type of fuel you want to throw at it. For the CTS V2, we offer drop-in and plug-and-play upgrade injectors, including 1000, 1200, 1500, and all the way up to 2200 cc. These injectors are rated at 3 bar and come flow match within 2% of one another. We test our injectors to SAE standards and offer injector tuning data that is general or application specific on our website.